In this video, we're diving into how to automate email outreach with Folk CRM. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or just someone looking to streamline your communication process, this tool can take your outreach efforts to the next level. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use Folk CRM for seamless automated email outreach that saves you time and increases your productivity. You can try Folk CRM for completely free through the first link below, and we've secured some exclusive bonuses just for you, so make sure to check that out. Now, let's jump right in. Folk CRM makes it easy to manage relationships and automate your outreach through a simple interface, and it's especially useful for email automation. Unlike traditional CRMs, Folk is highly focused on personalization and team collaboration, which is crucial when you're managing multiple client relationships or reaching out to prospects. To get started with email automation, Folk CRM allows you to create automated email sequences. This means you can set up a series of emails to be sent at specific times, without you needing to manually push the send button. All you need to do is input your contacts and define your email sequences triggers. Setting this up is pretty straightforward. First, you import your contacts into Folk. You can do this by syncing your email or adding them manually. Folk CRM supports integrations with popular tools like Gmail, Outlook, and other email providers, so you're not limited to one platform. Next, you'll create your email sequences. Folk lets you design highly personalized emails with dynamic fields like name, company, or even specific project details. This keeps the outreach looking human rather than robotic, which is key in increasing your email engagement rates. Once your email sequence is ready, you can set specific triggers for when each email is sent. For example, the first email could go out immediately after a contact is added, and subsequent emails could follow at intervals that you define, such as every 3 days or after a certain action is taken, like opening or clicking an email. What makes Folk CRM unique in email automation is its ability to track these interactions in real time. You can easily see when a contact opens an email, clicks on a link, or responds, which gives you a clear picture of how your outreach is performing. This data helps you refine your approach and focus on the most engaged contacts. Folk CRM also allows you to manage your contact relationships directly from within the system. It's not just about sending automated emails. It's about using the data to nurture these relationships over time. With its simple yet powerful segmentation tools, you can create tailored follow-ups based on a contact's behavior, ensuring your outreach is always relevant. For those of you managing a team, Folk CRM offers collaboration features, so everyone can stay on the same page. You can share email sequences, track communication, and make sure your outreach strategy is aligned across your team, which is especially valuable when multiple people are involved in client communication or lead generation. And here's something worth mentioning. Folk CRM is built for flexibility. You can easily integrate it with other tools in your workflow, whether it's your calendar, project management software, or customer support systems, making it a solid hub for all your business communication needs. So, if you're looking to save time, improve your outreach, and ensure your emails are reaching the right people with the right content at the right time, Folk CRM is a powerful tool. The best part? You can get started completely free, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll have even more tools to maximize your outreach potential. Remember to check the link below to get access to your free trial along with those exclusive bonuses. You won't want to miss out on this opportunity to supercharge your email automation with Folk CRM. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to grab your free trial and start automating your outreach with Folk CRM. Happy emailing.